Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today's video will be unboxing one of our newest ambassadors. If you're new to this channel, guys, and you're interested in seeing behind the scenes on how we produce watches and how we pick certain colorways, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay, let's get into unboxing this new ambassador. Okay guys, so in front of us is our brand new blue face ambassador in two versions. One is the full stainless steel version. This is polished silver case, and with the blue leather band version. So before we actually break down the details of this watch, let's check out the box and the packaging that it comes in. So like all ambassadors, they do come in this sturdy box that's covered by this paper shell. And this paper shell, or this sleeve, does have the part number, so it's AM190LB, that stands for leather band. Removing the paper shell, you're exposed to the box, and this is a presentation of the Meister. So this box, again, it is really sturdy. It has this big embossed M with the MSTR abbreviated for Meister watches. A lot of people call it Master. It is indeed Meister. Meister is a German word for master, so you kind of do have it right, but the abbreviation is Meister watches. One of my favorite features on the box, besides keeping your watch safe and sturdy, of course, is the magnet feature. So right when you open it, it does expose the watch, but when you go to close it, you can hear that snap, which is the magnet locking in your case. Having the box open, the first thing you notice is this foam padding, and this is used for, protecting your watch if you are traveling with the box and your watch moves around. Not to worry, this padding will protect it. Okay, next is this really nice textured sleeve that is covering your instructions, and you can notice this gold embossed MSTR, also the gold M, the Los Angeles, California, established in 2009, and this feels really good too. It's actually really sturdy, believe it or not. Behind that, obviously, is the instruction manual, so this will help you to set and use all the functionality of the ambassador. So we do have people asking us how to set the ambassador. Guys, in your box, look behind that cover sleeve. The instruction manual is right here. This is going to show you how to use your chronograph, how to set your date, how to set your time. Okay, now that we have broken down all the details of the box, let's get into the watch. Okay guys, here it is, our blue face ambassador. To me, the first thing that really stands out is this absolutely stunning blue face. It almost has this metallic finish to it. It's got such a great eye-catching shine to it. Then you notice the red on the MSTR and the red hits on the minute, day, and time in the chronograph, and that really just ties in the red to the blue. It's a great color contrast that really complement each other. And let's not forget the polished Roman numerals. All of these things, including that blue face that does have that metallic feel of the finish. All of these great details just really pop out, and it makes the watch so eye-catching. Definitely a must-have in a collection, especially if you're a fan of blue and of a blue watch. This is definitely something that needs to be in your collection, just based off of this colorway and the whole details of it so far. So to help complement with those polished Roman numerals, the whole case is polished as well, and you can see that beautiful Meister engraved on the side of the ambassador. Such a pleasant surprise when you do see it. Another great detail, part of our craftsmanship. We do not hold back on detail. Let me show you the crown. The crown has the M logo embossed on it as well. You can see that it's so beautiful. So this polished case with the polished Roman numerals and the blue face along with that red, so far is just screaming great detail. Such a beautiful watch to see in person and have on your wrist. So before we move on to the leather band, I do want to point out on our bezel, it does feature our signature hexagon 8 bolts. Very cool, adds a lot of detail to the watch. This ambassador does come equipped with our smooth blue leather band. Really cool fun fact, this is the first time that we've actually done a full blue leather band, from the stitching all the way down to the leather. And it came out really good. It really complements the watch. Another great feature on the band is this latch right here can be pushed down to remove the band, and that will allow you to put another color version band on the ambassador, not only switching it up but making it your own style and giving it a whole different feel. Again guys, the ambassador does come in a stainless steel version as well, so you have the option from leather to stainless steel, and you can remove that band and put a stainless steel band or a different color leather band. So another great hidden feature. Again, it's all about the detail and the craft with us. The movement for this watch is a Japanese Seiko 6-hand chronograph VD53. Okay, let's turn the watch over and see what cool details are hiding in the back. First thing you notice is this engraved ambassador logo Right under it is the part number AM190. It is limited. As you can see, this is number 55. Guys, like most watches in our collection, they are limited to anywhere from 100 to 300 pieces. Sometimes, rarely 500. It just really depends on the collab or the actual watch. And like all ambassadors, it is water resistant to 100 meters. Okay guys, that's gonna wrap up the details of this watch. If you've enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. Make sure you are subscribed. If you have any questions or comments, guys, please leave them down below. We do check them daily. Tell us what your favorite thing about this video was. Was it the blue face on the watch? Was it the matching blue band? Was it the polished silver that we have, guys? Stay tuned for detailed shots of this watch on wrist and lifestyles. As always, guys, thank you for tuning in. We truly appreciate it. Make sure you do grab this watch before it does sell out. It is limited in numbers. Take care.
I'm not the killer. Back down, I'm not the killer.